welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make desiccated coconut. Very easy and quick to make, so let's get started. Today I've taken one coconut, clean the outer extras, break it into two halves. Boil 3 cups of water in a heavy bottom pan and place the coconut in the center. Boil it for 5 minutes in high flame. Make sure the water is below the coconut level. Only the outer shell should be in contact with the water. Once done, remove from water and allow it to cool completely. Now we can easily scoop out the coconut. Peel the outer brown skin using a peeler. Cut the coconut into small cubes and keep it ready. Transfer the coconut pieces to a mixer jar and grind it well. Don't add any water. Heat a pan and transfer the ground coconut to it. Stir it well. Keep the flame in low throughout the process. It's been 5 minutes now and the coconut has started to dry a little. Continue to stir. It's been 10 minutes now and our coconut is nice and dry. So off the flame. Allow this to cool completely and then you can store it in an 8-8 container and use it for 6 months time. You can use this desiccated coconut as substitute for a regular coconut. This can be used for baking recipes or as topping or coating a snack. Very easy and quick to make, so do try this desiccated coconut at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.